Alright, here's a little update. So I'm doing this, I got this little, basically it's a helicopter. I don't know if you can see all the parts there. But there's all the tool path for it. And I got done machining it. And this is what it looks like. Here's the little tail rotor. It's got the body, got the little legs, and the thing's pretty good size, man. It's all like a puzzle. This is for little Hunter's Christmas present. Gonna paint it all up. Turned out pretty cool. Something for him to play with, something to put in his room. So, there's a good picture of it. Move this chair. Yeah, but it basically all goes together like a big puzzle. Found the DXF file off the internet. Scaled it to where it would fit the thickness of the .25 material, like I showed on the other video where you can scale, shrink it down to where it would fit, and it all went together really well, really easy. I'll get it all painted up and find a box or something, and him and his dad can put it together. So that's another good use for old CNC machines, is make Christmas presents. The propeller don't spin very well. But there's another update. We'll talk to you later.